If you've ever wanted a quicker, easier way to close browser tabs in Microsoft Edge, this video is for you. In just a few steps, I'll show you how to turn on double click to close browser tabs in Edge so you can manage your tabs faster and with less effort. This is a small setting, but it can make browsing feel a lot more convenient, especially if you open a lot of tabs during the day. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tips and guides. Alright, let's jump right in and try in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, go to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu to open Edge Settings. From here, click on Settings. This will take you to the full settings page where you can customize how Edge looks and behaves. On the left-hand side, look for Appearance and click it. The Appearance section is where Microsoft Edge keeps many of its visual and tab-related options, so this is the place we need to be. After that, scroll through the available options until you find the Tabs section. Depending on your version of Edge, the Tabs option may be listed under Appearance or nested within that menu. But either way, you're looking for the settings that control tab behavior. Once you're in the Tabs area, look for the option that says Use double click to close browser tabs. You should see a toggle switch next to it. All you need to do is turn that toggle on. Once it's enabled, you'll be able to double click on a tab to close it more quickly instead of using the small X button every time. It's a simple change, but it can really improve your workflow if you're constantly opening and closing tabs. If you want to test it, open a few tabs and try double-clicking one of them to see it close instantly. If it doesn't work right away, make sure the toggle is still turned on and that you're using the current version of Microsoft Edge, since some settings can vary slightly depending on updates. And that's it. You've now turned on double click to close browser tabs in Edge. It only takes a moment, but once it's enabled, it can save you time every day. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful browser tips, Windows tutorials, and easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.